Hey everybody, how smart are you? This quiz is about general knowledge, geography, and the human body. Let's go. The Statue of Liberty was a gift to the United States from which country? Answer A, France. Which ocean is the smallest? The Arctic Ocean is the smallest. Okay, how many colors are in a rainbow? There's 7 colors in the rainbow. What's the primary ingredient in sushi? Sushi's main ingredient is vinegared rice. Which fruit is known as the king of fruits? Mango is the answer. Do you know which number can't be represented by Roman numerals? Roman numerals do not have a representation for the number 0. Which civilization built Machu Picchu? Machu Picchu in modern-day Peru was built by the Inca civilization. Do you remember who won the FIFA World Cup in 2018? France is the answer. Which sport is associated with the Ryder Cup? The Ryder Cup is a golf competition between teams from Europe and the USA. Okay, how well do you know the facts about the human body? Which blood type is known as the universal donor? O-negative blood can be donated to recipients of all blood types. Where is the human DNA located? The primary location of DNA in the human cells is the nucleus. Which organ is responsible for producing insulin? The pancreas produces insulin, a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar. Which part of the human body would be treated by an orthopedic surgeon? Answer A, bones. What's the main function of the red blood cells? Red blood cells primarily transport oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. How many teeth does a typical adult human have? A typical adult human has 32 teeth, including 4 wisdom teeth, which are the third set of molars. How many chambers does the human heart have? The human heart has 4 chambers, 2 atria or upper chambers, and 2 ventricles or lower chambers. Which bone is the longest in the human body? The femur, also known as the thigh bone. How many pairs of ribs does the average human have? "12 pairs is the answer. Great, now let's test your geography knowledge. Which of the following is the world's largest desert? The Antarctic desert covers an area of about 5.5 million square miles, making it the largest. Okay, which desert is the largest hot desert in the world? And Sahara is the answer. Which country is the largest in South America? Brazil, of course. What's the capital of New Zealand? Answer C, Wellington. Where is the Atacama Desert located? The Atacama is a desert on Chile's Pacific coast. In what country is the city Vienna? Answer B, Austria. What is the capital of Australia? Sydney, Melbourne, or Canberra? And here's the answer. The Eiffel Tower is located in which city? In Paris, of course. Which city is known as the City of Canals? Venice in Italy is famous for its extensive canal system. Where is Transylvania located? Answer C, Romania. Friends, how many points did you get? Write it in the comments. I recommend you watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.